Namaste and a very good morning to my students and everyone who is watching this video. I hope you all are doing well and following all the rules and regulations to keep yourself safe and healthy. So, I'm Amandeep Kaur, your computer teacher. Today we are going to start with your first chapter of computer, that is input and output devices. So now I'll be moving to the presentation and you all can open lesson 1 in your books so that you can understand in a better way.
Okay, so before moving to the main topic, that is input and output devices, let's revise that what is computer and how it works. So what is this? This is a computer, and a computer is a machine that can do variety of jobs. Variety of job means we can type on computer, you can listen music, you can watch movies. Yes, you must be playing some games also on computers. Your parents must be doing their office work, right? So computer helps us to do many types of work. That's why they are not confined to offices only. That means now we are not using them at offices only. You can see computers at many more places. You can see computers everywhere around you. Like we can see computers nowadays at shops, in hospitals, at banks, in airports, and at many more places, right? So now this is what is computer. Now how computer works. So if you remember in class 3 also we have discussed this, that working cycle of computer. The working cycle of a computer is IPO. Now what is IPO? I stands for input, P stands for process, and O stands for output. So input, the data and instructions that we are giving to computer, we are putting inside computer, that can be in form of numbers, words, pictures or sound. So that is called an input. And what the computer is doing on that input to give us the required result. That work which computer do on that input is called processing. And the final results that we got after processing is called output. To make it little more clear, let's take a real-time example. Now, suppose you want to make a cup of tea. So, on screen you can see, children, I have put many small pictures that are required to make a cup of tea. Now we have to arrange it, that what all will come in input, what will be the processing, and what is the output. So now see, first what we need as input. So we need milk, water, sugar, tea leaves, and a kettle. So now think of it that all these ingredients, the milk, water, sugar and tea leaves, if now you have put all this in the kettle, can you get the tea ready out of it? No, you can't, because you need to do what? A processing. You need to do boiling. So we need to put our kettle on the gas stove, or if it is electric kettle you need to plug it, and then what will happen? Boiling will happen, and that is processing in this. And after processing, once you pour the ready tea in a cup of tea, that is a output. Now you can see a smiley enjoying cup of tea. Yes? Okay, I hope now it's clear that what is input, what is processing, and what is output. Okay, so now in your book the next thing given is hardware and software. So the computer system works with the help of hardware and software. Now what is hardware and what is software? In very easy words, if I'll tell you, you need to remember it like this, that hardware is the physical parts of the computer that we can touch. For example, monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. You can touch all these parts? Yes. So these all are hardware. And what is software then? A set of instructions that we are giving to computer, or which is there in the computer, that is processing the computer, the instructions that we cannot touch, right? So there are some programs with which it works, so that is called software. Now, what type of software? Like for example, you paint on the Microsoft Paint or in the Tux Paint, we type on MS Word, so these all are softwares. Now let's take one more example, okay, to clear this hardware and software. That is, suppose there is a CD. Now you can see all the CD moving on the screen, and some songs also playing in that CD. So the music is coming out of the CD. So now what CD is saying? CD is asking, can you touch me? What we'll say? Yes, definitely we can touch. So what CD is saying? So I am a hardware, because you can touch me, I am a physical part. And same way, songs are asking, can you touch me? So what will be your answer? Definitely no. So songs are saying, so I am a software, because you can't touch me, right? Same way, just an example, that if you want to draw a drawing on a computer, as I said earlier, what will be the hardware required? So what hardware or you will use? That is mouse and monitor. These two part of the computer that you will use to draw a drawing on a computer. Yes, because we draw with the mouse, and what we draw, that appears on the monitor. So these two part we can touch also. So that's why they are hardware. And what is the software here then? Software is Microsoft Paint or Tux Paint or 3D Paint or any kind of paint software on which you are drawing. Can we touch that Microsoft Paint? No, that is inside. Only we are getting the display of it on monitor. So that's why it's a software. I hope you all are clear with this. Yes? So, this is for today. Next video we'll discuss about more input devices and output devices. One by one we'll take the input devices and we'll discuss each and every input device, and then the processing, and then the output devices. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.